Hi guys, here we have the Hampton Bay Track Light with two ice cube heads, and today we'll show you how to replace the GU10 light bulb. First of all, when you do it, you won't be able to just pull it off like this, so don't try to pry it open, you may damage the light. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is twist it counterclockwise like this until it comes out. And inside you will see how it gets installed. I will insert the new bulb. First align it properly and then turn it clockwise. And our replacement is complete.